Hey friends, if you encounter the error out of video memory while trying to play Fortnite or any other game, then I'll help you with the resolutions. First of all, in the case of Fortnite, we'll check the minimum system requirements on its official website. Now we have two categories here. One is the recommended system requirements and one is the minimum one. Even the recommended one are quite easy, except for the RAM, of course, which is 16 GB, and you need an i5 7th generation processor or a Ryzen 3 processor or higher, which is very easy. And then you need a video memory of 2 GB VRAM or an NVIDIA GTX 960, which is very basic, or an AMD R9 280. The minimum system requirements are way lower at Core i3, 8 GB RAM, and so on. Now, if your system falls somewhere between these system requirements, then it can be checked. But first of all, how do we check what is the system configuration of your computer? So simply type the word system information in the Windows search bar and open this panel. And in this panel, you can find all information related to your system, like each and everything, the total memory installed, the total virtual memory installed, and so on. And you can also check the hardware resources if you need it, and you can compare the VRAM also. Now after this, the next thing is that if your system requirements are between the minimum system requirements and the recommended system requirements, in this case you can change the virtual memory a little bit. So search for the word performance in the Windows search bar and click on this option, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. After this, go to the Advanced tab and under Virtual Memory, click on Change. Uncheck this box which says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. And now check the radio button corresponding to the custom size. Change the initial memory to 12,000 and maximum one to 30,000, and then click on OK to save the settings. Click on OK, click on apply, and then on OK, and now you need to reboot your system. So to reboot your system, right click on the start button, shut down and sign out, and then click on restart. If these do not help, then the last option will be to update your graphics card drivers. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command devmgmt.msc and hit enter to open the device manager window. Now expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the first display adapter and select update. Select this one. Second one, which is the NVIDIA GTX Force one. Update driver, search automatically for driver, and then close. And this should fix the problem for most of the users. If it does not, then you'll have to change the graphics card, or you will have to upgrade to a computer of higher configuration. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please subscribe to our channel. If not, then please mention it in the comment section so that we could investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.